Let's continue to crochet a little cat. We've already almost made a gray kitten, and now let's crochet the tail. Take light gray thread and make a magic loop. And then 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we start the new round in the first loop of the previous one and make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we make 14 rounds more without changes for 6 single crochets in each round. Also, in the middle of the tail, we can make white stripes. Change the color and make several white single crochets. And fix the threads on the opposite side. Change the color, continue with gray thread, and then make one more stripe. We've made 16 rounds. In the end, we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the tail to the body. One, two, a loop on the body, a loop on the tail. The body, the next loop on the tail. And go on. In the end, fix the thread and hide it inside the toy. The next step is a neck. Take dark gray yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Attach the thread through the stitches, make a chain, and then we make single crochets through the stitches. The shape of the neck is more important than the count of stitches that you'll make. Try how it looks with the head, and if everything is okay, go on. It's not very easy to make such a neck, but it makes the sewing of the head to the body is more comfortable. And it looks better. In the end, we make a slip stitch in the first loop. Here it is. A chain and cut the thread. Fix the threads and hide them inside the toy. And at last we sew the head to the body. A loop on the neck. And through the stitches of the head. The neck. The head. In the end, pull the thread on the back fix the thread and hide it inside. And our cute kitten is ready. Write me please what color do you like the most and send me the photos of your cats. I'm always happy to receive the pictures of your toys. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.